I've just been scrolling through. I've just been scrolling through Pinterest and just looking at images. So let me save this to my board. Oh my, hey yo. He's way too. Oh my god, he's so cute. How? Oh my god, I love this. Oh, this could be a profile picture for somebody, but I'm not changing mine. I'll just download that and see that the shits and stuff. Yeah. Oh, I love him. Cagney. He's too. Why is this so funny to me? Bye. Oh boy. What the fuck? Oh, that's cute. Stop. I can't breathe, bro. I'm gonna have to create a board for these images. Calm down. Oh, he does absolutely make me happy. Saving that. Let me just, for real. No. Take my Bible. Oh, I love him. Okay, back to silly. What the fuck was that? Me when I see Bendy Straw. Oh, I download this. Well. This is how it feels going to the beach on a windy day. When you touch something wet when you're doing the dishes. Like that one soggy piece of food. It's a SpongeBob meme. What the? This ends now. I can hear that image. Oh, I love him. No, but I want to laugh harder. Like, I want to laugh a lot. Yo, what the fuck? What is this? No, choo-choo. Ew. Oh, but for real, but this one especially. Ew. Wait. Oh, he's another one of my comments. Damn it, I didn't like it. Anyways. Unironically, he's like one of my favorite characters. He's like, I can't hate him that much. This character, though, I absolutely despise. He's kind of like Gideon. No. My breaking point. Okay. Why does he stand like that, though? Oh my god. He looks so... How I stare at my siblings when they take my last piece of food. Okay. Come on, what the What the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck? No, get that away from me. What the what the hell is Oh, he's so tiny. Wait, I love him. Oh, oh my... Oh, Luxie. Luxie. Oh my god. I'm seriously laughing my ass off right now. They're so silly. Oh, I believe in tiny cup supremacy. Oh my god, I love them. Hey, you know what? They make the pansexual flag. Oh. USM. Look at him. Oh my god, I love just these sillies. He's so goofy. Slay! Damn! Anyways, back to goofy images. Oh, images is... the handsome boy! Fuck. Oh my god, I love him. Stop sipping! Back to the goofs. King Dice is actually... Damn. Oh shit. What people... This is what the fandom wants. No, we want Dev Melia. Devil what? What the... That's right. Look it better when they fight. Who took my bibble? What the fuck? I have surprise. Oh my gosh! The Uniracly, I love him. Wait, no, not a whole board dedicated to him. DIY recipes, what? Is that what it said? I don't know, that's weird. What? I love him though. Is she chocolate? That's so cute. Me, when I finally got a computer again. I'm back, hoes. I'm leaving this group chat. Oh my god, look at... Stop. Love him. See you guys in part 2.